Hey, how's it going? Seth Connell, CTO with Nanu Water Tech. I'm walking you through our installation process for a 10-gallon a minute nanobubble generator. Your box should have arrived something like this. And once you're ready, go ahead and cut open that label so you can get into it. And then you'll see a QR code on the inside of the top lid here. And this will link you to detailed instructions and an FAQ. If there's any questions that are not answered in there, you can feel free to either email us, info@nanuwatertech.com, or leave the question in the comments below. Then once you're ready, go ahead and take the unit out of the box, discard the packaging, and the unit should look something just like this. You have MPT connections for 3/4 inch on both top and bottom, and then you have a barb receiver here for your gas source. It could be air. You can just leave it open, and that will basically pull in ambient air. Or if you wanted to connect oxygen or ozone generator to it, you can use the hose connection and just plug that in right there. So once you're ready, we usually add Teflon tape to any threaded connection. Just want to be extra safe, keep everything watertight. So thread that on like that. And we have our 10-gallon a minute pump right here that we will thread this onto the exit downspout. And simple as that, ready to go. And if you have any questions, again, please leave them in the comments, and good luck with your nanobubble generation.